Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your SEO strategy with a SEMrush step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SEMrush website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various tools available. Begin by conducting a keyword research by clicking on the Keyword Magic tool. Enter a keyword related to your niche and analyze the suggestions provided. Take note of the search volume, keyword difficulty, and potential traffic for each suggestion. Next, identify competitor keywords by using the Organic Research tool. Input your competitor's website URL to see which keywords they rank for. Analyze the results to discover keywords that may be valuable for your own strategy. After identifying keywords, shift your focus to site auditing by navigating to the Site Audit tool. Enter your website URL and set the preferred settings for the audit. Once the audit is complete, review the health score and identify issues flagged by the tool. Address these issues systematically, prioritizing critical errors that may affect your SEO. Then, utilize the position tracking tool to monitor your keyword rankings over time. Add the keywords you've selected and your website to track performance. Regularly revisit this tool to maintain an up-to-date understanding of where you stand. Next, enhance your content strategy by using the SEO Content Template feature. Enter your target keyword to receive recommendations on content length, style, and structure. Implement these suggestions into your content creation process for better optimization. Incorporate the Backlink Analytics tool to analyze your backlink profile. Identify opportunities for acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites. Build a strategy for outreach and relationship building with these sites. Finally, review the Traffic Analytics tool to gain insights into your website's traffic sources and compare with competitors. Use this data to refine your marketing strategies and adjust your SEO approach accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively secure and improve your SEO strategy using SEMrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.